how to submit a deliverable. So let's start with, let's say, the entrepreneurial mindset writing prompts. I'll click on view assignment. When I click on this and I open with Google Docs, it's going to lead me to a template. So this template, in theory, I can edit it and do whatever I want to it. I've already gone ahead and done that. This is my completed writing prompts. So what I'm going to do is go back to Google Classroom. I'm going to add or create this one here. I'm going to add a link for from Google Drive. I'll choose the recent one. I'm going to choose this one. This one is the one that's complete. I'll add it. And delete this one that is the template. Okay. So you'll no longer have the template, but you'll have your work here done for you. And go ahead and click turn in. When you click on your work, you'll notice that you're no longer the owner of this. It'll ask you to request edit access. That's because the teacher is now the owner. So if you ever want to edit your deliverable, you're going to have to click on submit. And now look, you'll be able to, if you refresh, now you'll be able to edit whatever you need, and you can turn it in again.